Mapisa-Nqakula puzzled by public protector's intervention in Clive Derby Lewis battle, and Professor Sean Davidson's family disappointed with sentence for assisted suicide. I'm Lebo Changela with this news update. Correctional Services Minister Nosiviwe Mapisa-Nqakula says she's puzzled by the public protector's interest in intervening in her battle with convicted murderer Clive Derby Lewis. Reports say Public Protector Thuli Madonsela wants to mediate between the two parties after Derby Lewis lodged a complaint with her office. Clive Derby Lewis was convicted of the murder of SACP leader Chris Hani. He wants the state to pay for his medical expenses at a private institution. However, Mapisa-Nqakula says according to the law, inmates who want private health care must pay for it, including costs of security at the institution. Mapisa-Nqakula says paying for Derby Lewis's care would set a bad precedent. The family of University of Western Cape Professor Sean Davidson says it's disappointed following his 5-month house arrest sentence in New Zealand for the mercy killing of his mother. The 50-year-old admitted that he gave his 85-year-old mother a drink laced with morphine in 2006. His partner of 7 years, Rain Penn, says it is unfair for Davidson cannot serve his sentence in Cape Town. The SABC's Vanessa Puna reports.
Speaking from their Pinelands home, Penn says the past few months have been extremely difficult for her and their 2 young children. She says, however, there's been loads of support from community and the public who believe Davidson acted out of compassion and not malice. She says although his movements will be restricted, Davidson will have access to the internet and that they communicate via SMS and phone calls. Penn says she hopes and prays that the next few months will fly by. Vanessa Puna, SABC News, Cape Town.
The National Health Department says it will intensify community intervention programs to help reduce the rate of TB infections. This follows a study in Zambia and the Western Cape, which shows that the interventions are the most effective way to combat the disease. Health spokesperson Jürgen Pillay says the findings have helped in planning community outreach initiatives.
We are also in the process of introducing a ward-based primary healthcare outreach team for every one of the 4,000 municipal wards in the country. And these teams then will also assist in case finding and also ensuring that people take their treatment and get cured.
And President Jacob Zuma has invited the President of Benin, Thomas Boni Yayi, to attend the ANC's centenary celebrations in January next year. Zuma made the announcement during a media briefing in Cape Town following a bilateral agreement signed between the two countries. President Yayi is on a one-day state visit to South Africa. Zuma says the ANC is the oldest liberation movement on the continent and that Benin supported South Africans in their struggle against apartheid.
And Benin is one of the countries that consistently, on principles, supported us in the struggle from early days of the OAU. And it continued, depending to no influence, whether at the time the influence came from the west or the east. It was very consistent, and the love for South African people by Benin people has always been shown. And of course the President has invited me to visit Benin, state visit,